Hello, welcome back once again, and you're going to continue with our tutorials, and that is how to create social media network like Facebook. Okay, and this is part 17. My name is Amoquenes. I'm the founder of Irida Digitals and Irida Host. Okay, so what that I can say for now is let us continue. Okay, so this is our reference site. And please, if you are here, if you're watching this video, if you want to learn how to design professional website, I would advise you to come here. We have added courses here, and we will keep on adding more. Come here and join the community and learn for free. Okay, we have resources like template, themes. Let me take you to the shop page where we have templates, plugins, premium plugins, okay, that you can download for free. Though there is a price attached to that, but you can still get it for free. Why am I saying that? The reason is very simple. We have a point system, and that is, as you can see, we have a leaderboard here, and this is a point system. These are some of the people who have been awarded some points, okay, and the use of these points is to buy. You can use the point to buy theme, plugin, anything that you want to buy from this platform. You can use a point to do that. So let us continue. In our last video, we learned about how to add menus and make some few changes. Right now, what we are going to do is how to add course to our platform. As you can see, we now have let's go to the front end from here. So as you can see, we have courses where when we go there right now, there's nothing to show here because we have not added course now. So let's come back here, and under dashboard, let me take us to our dashboard. This is our dashboard. Let me click here. Okay, so we are on our dashboard. I can remove this. Okay, so for this warning, I will show you how to fix that. Okay, so we are going to work on that. So for now, let's come back to Tutor LMS, go to courses. So we are now going to add course. There is no course here, so we can add a new course. Okay, so here we will add a course title. Okay, so what will be the course title? How to make social Okay, so I've added a simple title, that is how to create social media website like Facebook. Okay, good. So we have to add description. I don't have time to do that because this is just a tutorial to show you how to do that. So I will use a dummy test. I'll copy a dummy test from here and add it. Okay, so I'll come back here and paste it. But I'm not telling you to use dummy test for your course page. No, it's just that I don't have time to write that. Okay, so over here we are going to make some changes here. So here we have maximum number of students. If you want to limit number of students who can enroll in the course, you can do that, but you can leave it as 0, so that it means that it will accept unlimited users. Okay, the difficulty levels, all levels. Okay, that's what I want. When you select public course, it means that people can start learning without enrolling in the course, and I don't want that. And then S and Q, that's you have to, this is where your student will be able to send you a question, then you answer, okay, from the platform. So are you going to sell this course or make it for free? If you're going to sell the course, click here, and over here you can just enter the course price. You can just leave this one. If you have not done that, if you have not created a course on the WooCommerce one, then leave it and come back here and enter amount. Let's say the amount is 100 Ghana cedis. Attachment. So you can add the course attachment. That is things that you want your student to access for free. You can add it here. Okay, this is where you'll be able to add course, which is very, very important. Maybe some of the course before the user can, or before your student can start learning this course, they have to they need a previous knowledge from a certain course before they can do that. If that is the case, then you have to search that course here, but that course must be added already. Should be a course which has been added already, so that you can search here and add it. But this is a new course, so we will not do that. Okay, so here we can add says what will I learn. So you can add the objective. The course objective here is very, very important. Okay, you can write something like student will be able to install WordPress on cPanel. Student will be able to create a portfolio, or you can just write install WordPress on the cPanel, create email accounts, create portfolio website. So these are some of the objectives that you need to write here. So 1, to install WordPress, then that is to create portfolio website. So just add your course objective 1 per line. Okay, good. Here, audience, who are your target audience? Which people are you targeting? Okay, so you can just write them here. That is people who have no knowledge in WordPress or something of that sort. Okay, good. No special skills in coding is needed or something of that sort. You can enter them here. The total course duration, you can indicate the course duration. If it's for about 10 hours, you can just indicate that. Then materials, the materials that you'll be giving to students for free, you can just list them here. You can just add, let's say, BuddyBoss course. Then we have what? Tutor LMS Pro. So BuddyBoss 2 is a Pro. So you can list those plugins there. Okay, requirements. What are some of the things that the learner need in order to start this training? That is working computer, okay, then what else? That is internet connection. So you can enter all these. So I've done that. Then here you can add the intro video. Now when I take you to my platform right now and go to courses, and over here, let me show you something. If I select this one, and here I can start playing this video, and this is intro video, whether you have enrolled. Okay, so let me pause it. Whether you have enrolled in a course or not, you need this one in order. You have to add the intro video. Okay, so let me go back here. So here you need to add a video. I can select YouTube, and I can go to YouTube. Let me enter that YouTube/Radar TV. So I can go to my profile and get some video and paste it there. So let's say I want to copy the link of share of this video. Okay, so I can come here and paste it here. So let's say I'm using this as intro video. So here you can select certificate that you want student to be to get. Okay, so I will select this. Oh, come on, I made a mistake. So I will say use this, and it has been selected. Good. So we are done for now. Okay, so right now we have content trip. So in case if you want to add that, which means that you can schedule course content by date and by others. Okay, just go through it. I will not do that. Then BuddyBoss, you can also create group. Okay, you can create group and allow the board, so you can create group. You see we have already added some groups here. Good. So these are the groups which we imported. So I can come here and select one of them. Let me see if there's a web design here. There is no web design, but we have graphic design. Let me select that. So which means that anyone who enroll in this course will be automatically added to that group. Okay, good. Now here we need to add the course category. Okay, so I can say that this one is that is website. Okay, I can just click here to add it. Okay, good. And I can add future image to the course. It will make it nice, look nice. Okay, good. So I will select an image. Let me go for this one and add it. Okay, so let me add it, and I can go up here and publish. But please, we are still not done. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we need to do. Now we have not added the course content yet, so let's see how to add the course content. Let's go down here, and now up here it says add a topic, so we can click here and add a topic. Okay, so what will be the topic? Let's say this domain and web hosting. Okay, so this is our main topic. So under this topic there we can have a lesson and a quiz. So this lesson is going to be how to add package to your HTML. No, so how to buy web hosting. So how to buy web hosting package. So when I update it, it means that it has been added. Okay, now I can decide to click here and add a video. Okay, so I can go here and paste this video. Okay, good. And even the video, you can add a video size. Let me see if I can get it here. It's not here, but let me check here. It's this one is 27 minutes 15 seconds. So I can come here and enter that 27 minutes 15 seconds and update it. Okay, so I can add lessons, so you can have topic and lessons under each topic. Okay, so when you are done adding all the topics and lessons, you can update it. Okay, so now it is good. I can now click here and view it in the new tab and come here, and this is our course. Okay, and this is the video we just added, the intro video. Let me save it, and that is everything is looking nice. And this is a certificate. It says and a certificate, add this certificate to your. Okay, so very simple. And these are the lessons. So after that video I can go here, and it may not work because okay, it's working. So you can just start going through them by watching the video. Okay, so first right now because I'm a user, that's why I was able to access the course. Okay, good. Because if you are not a user, you'll be able to, you have to add this to cart and pay for that before you be able to access it. So far so good. We have done all that we need to do. We have added the course, and thank you for watching. Our next video will be looking at how to add this point system. As you can see here, Reader, this platform, we have a point system, and we have even added a leaderboard. So let's say thank you for watching. Bye bye.